On behalf of GIT as well as on behalf of the principal of GIT MBA, I wish you all the very best in advance only. Right, today I'll be talking about what exactly this PGCET 2020, what are the rules and regulations. I'm going to have a quick revision. Right, so this section will be having 25 marks. This will be of 25 questions will be there. So out of 100, we'll be having 25 questions on English part. So my major job is to help you to understand how to tackle the section of English. Here, this section will have 25 questions. So 25 questions will be there. There is no negative marking. Remember this point. There is no negative marking on this. There are two sections here just to evaluate your English communication in two ways. The first one is based on your vocabulary. You need to have the strong vocabulary, Shabdakosh. You need to have the strong vocabulary because you want to become after completion of your MBA, you will be a manager. So manager cadre should have strong communication. Your backbone is only communication skills. To evaluate that, they will have this test based on the 50% will be based on the vocabulary, Shabdakosh. And second one, English usage, especially for the grammar base. Based on the grammar, we'll have assessment of your communication. Because as a manager, as a managerial cadre, you must know how to use the English grammar in a correct way. How you need to format or how you need to prepare your written communication as well as oral communication. So to evaluate that, that's the reason the priority is given for 25 marks in your PGCET. Right? Next, let me talk about the tips for better performance. How we can give the better performance? The first one is understanding the concept. We need to understand the concept of English. Right? So second one, formulas. Believe me friend, there is no formulas in this particular section. Unlike mathematics, other subjects, you may have the formulae. Whereas here we do not have any formulas. And practice. As you know, there is no shortcut for success. The only shortcut for success is practice, practice, practice. We need to have strong practice sessions. At least you need to dedicate 50% of your time only for English. So analysis. We need to analyze your strengths and weaknesses through the practice paper. So we'll be getting a lot of practice papers also. How do you analyze? Only by practice. Right, go through the experts analysis. You need to take the consent or you need to take the help of the experts because it is not like mathematics or any other subject. You cannot do it on your own. Here we need to have the right guidance from the experts. So topics to be covered in errors correction, the first one. Right. So there is a saying, if we have a sound grammar base in English, it will become easier to follow the rules and put them into correct usage. So that is the reason we need to be strong enough in your English grammar. So vocabulary based questions, you can see here what are the, let us see now how the questions are asked, what are the different sections. The first part is the vocabulary based questions. A, we have inserting the correct pair of words to fill in the blanks. Here, the first part, there will be 5 sections, A, B, C, D, E. The first section will be inserting the correct pair of words to fill in the blanks. So 2 blanks are given in a sentence followed by 4 options. Pairs of words or corrections or a correct options has to be filled. So the first part we have inserting the correct pair of words into fill the form. So let me give an example. So there is a question like this. For long, scientists have been dashed by the fact that long strands of DNA apparently have no real function. So we need to understand here, first you have to read the question at least 2 to 3 times. Because the options which have been given by them have got the similar meaning, almost similar. we would think that it is almost 99%. If you see A, B, C, D, we think that okay, almost similar. But we have to find out the pair of the answers which are almost similar, okay, almost real or almost which is exactly matching to the option. So here we need to read the questions at least 2 to 3 times. Try to understand. For long, scientists have been dashed by the fact that long strands of DNA apparently have no real function. So here try to understand the concept of it. What does it mean? The question means the scientists have been doing the research. They got some output. After several years, after many years, they got the outcome of it. By seeing that outcome, the outcome is the long strands of DNA apparently have no real function. So would you think that they are astonished by this? What is the meaning of astonished? Astonished means surprised. Or puzzled? Or they are confused? Doubtful. So when you start reading the questions, you started thinking that okay, all 4 have got the same meaning. No. First find what you need to do. First find out which is not related here, so that you can save your time. What the students do normally, they never bothered about the answer. They bothered about only questions. First try to understand the meaning of these options. First parameter is try to find out which is not related only, so that half the job is done. So astonished, matlab they got surprised. Yes, could be. Puzzled, even though that almost which is matching. They don't have any confusion because the research will not have any confusion. Because the research, it must have taken long time and it must have given some clue. So I would say confused is not at all related here. And doubtful, why doubt? Doubt is not required because the research. They don't have any doubts. It's not a doubtful job. Because research always gives the analysis and gives the facts and figures. So here the confused part which is not related to this answer, doubtful is not related. C and D. So question number 3. Question number 3. Okay, what we have here, C and D. So that is not at all related. So we can delete question number 3. So which are left out? A and B only. So the right answer is answer number 1, A and B. So this is how we need to analyze. We have to apply your thought. We have to have the patience, apply your thought. As I mentioned, read it carefully so that you'll get little knowledge. You'll get 50% of the answer. Once you start reading twice or thrice, you will come to know what exactly it is. Then start matching. Try to understand the meaning of the answers and analyze it. It's a common sense. So that is the reason English part is very, very important. So let us move on to the second question. Second question would be, influential corporate groups have dashed the judiciary's independence. I would repeat, as I mentioned that we need to read thrice. Influential corporate groups have dashed the judiciary independence. Okay, so the options they are given: distorted, curved, falsified, melted. Let's understand one by one what exactly the meaning of this. Influential corporate groups have dashed the judiciary independence. Judiciary matlab judicious, matlab nyayam. So here influential corporate groups have dashed the judiciary independence. What is distorted? Distorted matlab twist out of shape. They don't have that. Yes. Second we have curved. They will not be curved. Curved, you know that meaning of it. Curved. Falsified. What is falsified? Falsified matlab. What is falsified? Misleading. That will not mislead. Corporate companies, the groups with the judiciary, they will not be confused. It is not a false. Next one, melted. Melted means you know that ice melts. Matlab they are sticking to that. So here the right answer for the right answer for this is, so I would say fourth one, A and C. A and C are the right one, because by the judiciary things they will be distorted and they are falsified. There could be. So C and D are not the right answers. Like this we will have the questionnaires. So as I mentioned that when you are solving this section A, we need to be very careful. In the grammar part, as I mentioned that there will be A, B, C, D, E, 5 parts. The first one is pair of answers. Let us see few more. For wrong scientist, next one, the union budget is likely to be presented on February 26, 2 days ahead of the dash date. Critical date, conventional date, suitable date, convenient date. So as I mentioned that all have got the similar meaning, almost 99% equals to the meaning. But here we need to select the appropriate. So is a conventional date. Is not a critical is not the appropriate here. Suitable is not the one. Convenient is not the one. Is a conventional. Madhari, matlab conventional matlab. So according to the situation, that is a conventional. Next we have, I am sorry, dash the mistake. I am sorry from the mistake, with the mistake, for the mistake, at the mistake. Here again prepositions. So these sort of questions again based on the grammar part. Prepositions are very important here. I will cover it later on. For refers to, the preposition for goes kara. So here I am sorry for the mistake. So third question we have, he dashed her that she would pass. So she assured that she would pass the exam. Here assured is not insured, ensured, assume is an assured. That is the right answer. So answer for question number 2 is answer C, and question number 3, so answer is D. So now move on to the next question. Your father dash worry, I am very careful driver. Your father need not to worry. What is the right word? Need not to worry. Here I cannot use none, can't. Can't is ability. Here does not is a simple present tense, negative manner, that is an auxiliary word. So here need not to worry. So next one, 7th one you have, the dash chosen for the construction of the building is the heart of the city. So CIT site, SLIGHT slide, SIGHT site, SIT site. So SIT is the site is the right word. So answer, so D is the correct one. So next part we come across, the first one is a pair of sentences, the pair of answers. Second one, marking the correct choice of similar sounding homophones or confusing words. What are the homophones? Homo means similar words, similar sounds. Phones, similar sound, which has got a similar sound, right? Out of this, the questions will be like this. Out of the 3 words used in a sentence, correct choice of the correct word supposed to be used and is to be marked from the given option. Right? There will be option again. We have to select the correct one. Let us see now. So example for homophones for your practice. AIR, air. HEIR, hair. Hair is different, hair is different. It sounds similar. You need to be careful about the meaning. So when you have these homophones, what you need to do, you'll get a lot of list of homophones through your Google. Please open that, download it, start understanding the meaning of it. Here the meaning is very much important, right? Based on the situation you need to use it. So air, air. Aisle, A-I-S-L-E, aisle. Aisle means the passage, what we have now. Between the chairs, what we have between the seats, between the desk, what we have the passage, that is called a aisle, aisle. Okay? Some, S-O-M is some, S-U-M some. Some matlab kelavu, S-U-M matlab motta. Right? S-O-N sun, sun, and S-U-N sun. Sun means S-O-N sun refers to maga, beta. S-U-N sun refers to Surya. So like this, they have got the same meaning. Okay, they have got the same pronunciation or the same sound, but they have got the different spelling. So meaning you need to understand, and you need to understand the where these words fit in. According to that you have to make it. So like this we have the stair, STIR stair, STR stair, staircase first stairs, STIR, STR stair, staring someone, that is called the stair. Stationary, stationary, right? Steel, steel, steel means steel andre chori karna, that is called steel. STEL, steel. STEE, steel, that is called steel, iron, that is a metal. So like this we have so many things. What I request the students, please go through this, make a list of it, download the list, take the printout, so try to understand it, and I'm sure you'll be able to tackle this. So few more examples we have: accept and expect. Accept, ACCEPT, accept means स्वीकार, expect मतलब EXCEPT, expect निरीक्षण. So I am expecting a baby, I am expecting 90%. Accept the proposals, accept the forms. So addition and addition. Addition मतलब adding, addition मतलब so newspaper and all you come up, so edition, first edition, second edition. So that is a part, division. Advice, see the spelling here, ADVIC, advice, an opinion offered by the guide, right? So ADVIC is the action of offering an opinion as a guide. See the difference? So I advise you to study before test. My advice is to study, giving and taking. That is the way we have. Affect and effect. Affect, AFFECT, EFFECT. Affect means always in a negative manner. Effect is always in a positive manner. Remember this point. So because of the heavy rains, the city was affected a lot. See, in negative manner, always you must use affect. Effective. So you should have, if you attend the crash course of this GIT, you can pick up and you can score effectively. That is effect. There is an effect. Raman effect, we say effect means parinam. Affect matlab dushparinam. Think this, okay. So in your mother tongue also you need to think. Affected. Affected matlab always in a negative sense. Effect is always in a positive sense. So like this we come across. So the C part we have picking out of the correct words left out in a paragraph. So there will be paragraph, we need to, there will be one word is missed. Maybe conjunctions, maybe prepositions, maybe adjective, maybe noun or pronoun which is missed, or maybe articles also. So there we need to identify it and we need to add it. And also we have antonyms and synonyms. Antonyms मतलब विरुद्धार्थक पद, synonyms मतलब समानार्थक पद. So one or two questions you can expect from this, but we need, what you need to do, you have to again make a list of it and you have to practice it. There is only shortcut, right? So with the antonyms and synonyms, absent is opposite to present. Abundant, scarce, accept, decline or refuse. Like this we have the list. You can see here a few more lists, right? So some synonyms. For your practice, some synonyms. Attractive means appealing. Attractive another name, another meaning we have appealing. Synonym, samanarthak. So accomplish means achieve. Admit, confess. Right? Alike, same. So these are the list I have mentioned here. Please go through it. And also antonyms I have means opposite words. So one or two questions you can expect from this. Able, unable, above, below, like this, antonyms and synonyms. Right. So relationship with words, sort of analogy will be given. We have to understand the relationship with the given word and we have to answer for that. So, and also we have one word substitution. So they give the question and we have to answer one word substitution for that. Let us see some example one word substitution. So scientific study of fungi and the characters and its properties, what do you call that? There is a word. What is science? So they give the definition and they give the option. So for example, systematic study of fungi, what do you call that? Scientific study of fungi we call it, what do you call that? Mycology. Similarly, so preventive or protective treatment against the disease, we have some word for that. What do you call that? In India, we call it as a prophylaxis. What do you call that? Prophylaxis for that. Instead of saying prophylaxis definition, what they do? First they define it and you have to find the one word substitution for that. So trusted guide and advisor, what do you call him? Teacher you cannot say. Teacher only teaching. Here trusted guide and advisor. We call it as mentor. What do you call them? Mentor. We use this word. Right? Next we have So too formal and adhering to too much rules. So you could see people, some people are there, they are having they always have the rules and regulation. They are very particular, they are very punctual. What do you call them? We call them as a pedantic, Medhavi. So what is the meaning of pedantic? Medhavi. Right? We have the words study of silkworm, okay, breeding. So that is called as a sericulture. What do you call that? Sericulture. So like this, you can expect a lot of questions on this. At least 3 questions you can expect about one word substitution. So next we come across idioms and phrases. Nudigattugalu. Let me give some example about idiom phrases. To bell the cat. What is the meaning of that? To bell the cat. Try to render a common enemy harmless. Belling the cat. Matlab, Becky Gante Kattodu anta ಹೇಳ್ತವಲ್ಲ, that is the meaning of it. So birds of the feather flock together. Matlab, people of similar minded. Okay. So they have a gathering. So that is called a birds of a feather flock together. So the green-eyed monster. Instead of saying your jealousy, we named it as the green-eyed monster, means jealousy person. Head and shoulders above means outstanding performance. So instead of saying all those things, you can say nudigattu, we say head and shoulders above. So to hit the nail on the head, it means getting to the crux of the matter. And also once in a blue moon. What is once in a blue moon? Once in a while. So what exactly mean once in a while? Instead of saying that once in a blue moon, why do we call it blue moon? So blue moon means so every year we have 12 new moons and 12 full moons. Some of the years will have one additional full moon. Instead of having 12 in the year, we have 13. It happens once in 5 years or maybe 10 years or maybe 15 years. So it happens. So that year we call a blue moon year. Matlab additional one more new full moon we have, that is called as a blue moon year. It means rarely, it happens rarely, scarcely. So that is the meaning of it.